All right, so it's a Saturday and you're probably cracking on with what everyone else is doing. Ooh, let's go for brunch. Ooh, let's go have some lunchtime drinks. Ooh, let's go to the beach. Sacrificing your manhood and the things that you should be doing. If you're in shit shape, why the F are you not going to the gym on a Saturday at lunchtime? Bro, I'm ripped to shreds and I'll slap you to pieces. And I'm still going to the gym on a Saturday. And I got money to go anywhere I want. I could go eat brunch today. I could go do anything I fucking want. But do you know what I'm doing? Went to the gym, bro. Went to the gym, Smacked up the gym at 1 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. I feel like a beast. I did legs and shoulders. This is what masculine men do. Masculine men focus on their purpose during the week. They keep going to the gym. I'm now drinking a lot less alcohol because alcohol just completely destroys you and it's absolute poison and it's for losers. I mean, look, from time to time you can indulge, but you've got to stay strong, bro. You've just got to be smashing the gym. You've got to be smashing work. I feel good. I've had a great week. Now I can go out this evening and hit on a bunch of hotties as per standard. Just another day. But either way, look, the point of this is to push down your throat that you shouldn't be following what the rest of society is constantly doing. You should be just focusing on you. The most famous people and the people that have achieved the most in this life have focused on themselves purely. What do they want to do? Who gives a shit what the rest of society is doing? Oh, it's the Rugby World Cup. Oh, the Eurovision Song Contest is on. Oh, the Olympics opening ceremony. Whatever. Who gives a shit about the Olympics opening ceremony? It was crap anyway. Point is if you've got a real purpose, a real desire to achieve something, if you are unhappy with the roster of women that you have, unhappy with your bank account, you got to be doing something about it, because going out and drinking and smoking weed on the weekend isn't going to help you get anywhere. I'm now allowed to have a little puff. Like, for example, I smoked a bit of weed last night. All week I didn't. I worked hard, so it was my reward last night to smoke weed with a bit of friends, and I had a great evening. So the rewards come in handy when you've deserved them, when you've worked hard and put the effort in during the week and trained hard and you look good. Like, I'm in great shape, I feel good, I'm getting stronger and stronger. And, you know, I cashed out 10% of my stocks this week, so I've got a nice sum of money for next year, so I put that away. So ultimately, I've had a good solid week, and that was my reward. My reward is to smoke with my boys, go out and have a drink this evening and hit on a bunch of beautiful women. The point is that you need to earn the right for the rewards. You need to train hard, work hard on your desire, on your purpose, and fuck what the rest of society is doing. Don't get sucked in. Oh, it's a Saturday, like I might as well be out. It doesn't matter if it's a Saturday, it's just another day. The best musicians and the best artists and the best creators and the best businessmen are actually working today. That's what you don't realize. They've earned the right to take a step back and do whatever they want. But what you'd be surprised about is the best people get super bored when they're partying or when they're like going through their rewards, because they're ambitious, right? So they've probably gone out for a drink. Like last night, I had a little puff, had a good time. Now I'm like, all right, I'm back on it. What else am I gonna do? Continue getting destroyed? Drink a bottle of champagne today and wake up hungover? I don't really feel like doing that. I feel like progressing, either with my body or with my business or with my general knowledge or intelligence. I just wanna be productive. If you get into the swing of this, you'll be unstoppable.